Good morning, students. Today we will learn ethers, nomenclature of ether, and IUPAC name of ether. So, ethers are the compounds which contain oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl groups, or one aryl group and one alkyl group, or two aryl groups. So ethers are the compounds which contain oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl groups, or two aryl groups, or one alkyl and one aryl group. Also, ethers are organic oxides. Ethers are considered as anhydrides of alcohol. So, if in first type, ethers are the compounds which contain oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl groups. Here two alkyl groups are attached to oxygen atom. Then one alkyl group and one aryl group, or two aryl groups in this way. Here oxygen atom is loosely bonded to that alkyl or aryl groups. Here examples, here if methyl group is taken as, so here methyl groups are attached to oxygen atom, dimethyl ether, dimethyl ether. Then here methyl and here phenyl group. So it will now take that alkyl groups and phenyl groups in alphabetical manner. So methyl phenyl ether, it will methyl phenyl ether. Then here take both phenyl groups. So this is diphenyl ether, diphenyl ether. Now classification of ethers, depending upon that alkyl groups or aryl groups attached to that oxygen atom, they are classified as simple or mixed ether. If same alkyl groups or same aryl groups are attached to that oxygen atom, then they are simple or symmetrical ether. And if one alkyl group and one aryl group is attached to that oxygen atom, then they are mixed or unsymmetrical ethers, like this. Here if one methyl group and here one ethyl group is attached, then it is if both alkyl groups are same, then it is symmetrical ether. So it is dimethyl ether, dimethyl ether. And if different groups are attached, like this, here one methyl group and here one ethyl group, then it is unsymmetrical or mixed ether. In this type, take that name of alkyl group in alphabetical manner. So here ethyl will come first. So letter E of ethyl will come first. So it is ethyl methyl ether. ethyl methyl ether. In this way, we can take different examples. So, depending upon that alkyl or aryl groups which are attached to that oxygen atom, they are classified as simple or symmetrical and mixed or unsymmetrical. If same groups are attached, then it is simple or symmetrical ether, and if different alkyl groups are attached to that oxygen atom, they are unsymmetrical or mixed ether. Now we are going to study nomenclature of ethers. So first system is common system. In common system, consider which alkyl groups are attached to that loosely bonded oxygen atom. If same alkyl groups are attached, then write name of alkyl groups and prefix di and followed by ether. If there are two different alkyl groups are attached to that oxygen atom, then consider their name of alkyl groups in alphabetical manner. So the letter, first letter which is in alphabetical manner will come first, then write its name first and then second and followed by ether. Prefixes like di, tri are used in this nomenclature. So here are some examples. Here first identify that loosely bonded oxygen atom and which alkyl groups are attached. So here two methyl groups are attached to oxygen atom. So it is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Here oxygen atom is here. Here one methyl group and here CH2 single bond CH3 means it is ethyl. So ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. Then here two groups are attached. This is methyl and this is CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH2. So that is propyl. So in common system we have to use prefixes like N for normal, then secondary or tertiary. We can use that type of prefixes. So it is straight chain. So it is N. But don't consider that N or I for iso in that alphabetical manner. Only consider letters of alkyl groups. So here methyl and propyl. So it is methyl N propyl ether. Methyl N propyl ether. It is methyl N propyl ether. Then here C6H5O CH3. So it is methyl phenyl ether. Here methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether. Then here two groups are attached, one phenyl group and one propyl group. So here phenyl and propyl. So phenyl N propyl ether. So it is phenyl N-propyl ether. And last structure, this is different. So we will consider now IUPAC system of ethers. In IUPAC system, first see that structure. If oxygen is loosely bonded in that structure, so it will ether. Then count chain of carbon atom from such carbon atom which is attached to that loosely bonded oxygen atom. Here only one carbon atoms are in longest chain because that chain breaks due to presence of oxygen atom. Here only one carbon atom is attached to that longest chain in right to left or left to right. So here consider parent alkane and substituent is methoxy. So in IUPAC system, consider name of that ether as alkoxyalkane. Alkoxyalkane. So this is substituent methyl and this is methoxy. So it will methoxymethane. 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 Always consider larger alkyl group as a parent alkane. So here different alkyl groups are attached to oxygen. So one methyl group and here one propyl group. So at first count number of carbon atoms in longest chain. So here oxygen atom is here. So this is first carbon and this is second. So two carbon atoms are present in longest chain. So its parent name will be ethane. So it will methoxyethane. 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 Then here methyl group is present and here oxygen atom. So count number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3 in longest chain. So there are 3 carbon atoms. So its parent name will be propane. So it will methoxypropane. 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 Then here one phenyl group and one methyl group is attached. So it will, if structure is drawn that C6H5 means one hydrogen atom is less in that benzene ring. So here one benzene ring and one methyl group is attached to that oxygen. So it will methoxy like this. Methoxybenzene. CH3O. So it will methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene. Then here 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms are attached to that oxygen atom. So consider IUPAC name of that. So count Number of carbon atoms in longest chain 1, 2, 3. So it is attached to first carbon atom. So what will its name? So it is 1. What will its name? So it will 1-propoxy benzene. 1-propoxy benzene. One propoxy benzene. Here, larger alkyl group or phenyl group is considered as parent alkane. So that numbering is only for propyl group. Now consider this structure. Here cyclobutane is given. There are 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this oxygen atom is attached to this first carbon atom. So that will 1-methoxy. 1-methoxy. And these 2 alkyl group methyl groups are attached to second carbon atom. So that will 2,2-dimethyl. 2,2-dimethyl. And here it is part of cyclobutane. So 1-methoxy, 2,2-dimethyl cyclobutane. So in this way we can write IUPAC name of ethers. So count chain of carbon atom, longest chain, that carbon atom which is attached to oxygen atom, and that will parent alkane, and other alkyl group will substitute. So larger alkyl group is considered as parent alkane and name is written as alkoxy alkane. Thank you.